What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can add a due date automation Monday with Slack. So what you're going to do is guys, just go to your Slack and then you'll be having your home screen. So let me just go with this one channel and then just type slash, and here you'll be having the option to create a task. Just use it and then just fill out the things. Let's say write summary, just write anything. Okay guys, hello Zai, hello Zai. And over here now you have to choose the due date. So I told you earlier I'm gonna choose Monday. So Monday is next week, it's 19, so let me just choose 19. That's Monday. And time, let me just take a random time and something to do this at any cost. So that's pretty much guys. Just choose create and now you can see it will due 19. That's on Monday. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. So thank you for watching our video guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. So if you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. And also comment down for more contents and more reviews like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then guys, stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.